Hi, this is Muhammad. Today's our lecture is most important for new investors and old investors, experienced persons and unexperienced persons. Basics of learnings. It's very common nowadays. Basics of learning. And it's most important. You must be understand when invest online. This is most important topic. And this topic is also most important because nowadays everyone invests without making a plan, and they lose your money, they lose your own asset because online transactions, online investment is a risky asset. After understanding and learning of this lecture, okay, you will be able to online transactions and money transfer on everywhere. Okay, you want to transfer money from your one bank account to another bank account, you can also easy to do this. Either you want to transfer money from any online payment methods like perfect money, bitcoin. Coming lectures I will discuss you what is perfect money and bitcoin. You can transfer money anywhere without consuming many hours, yeah, or a lot of time. Nowadays technology is advanced and fastest method. Online transactions is most important. Invest money and earn profits. How to invest money onto a website and can earn profits. What do I before investing? How to check this website? Online exchanges and currency conversion. In your account USD currencies, but you need bitcoins. How to convert USD to bitcoin? That's called online exchanges and currency conversions. Your account is in bitcoin wallet, you want to convert it USD for any purpose, online investments, online earnings. How to convert them using exchange? These three important methods for online earnings or online investments: online transactions and transfer money on everywhere, invest money and earn profits. Number three, online exchanges and currency conversion. Investment procedures. Investing, it means that you invest money onto a website for limited time profits, which means holding bitcoin for the long run, but there's time must be set. Every website has own terms and conditions and own time limits. Some websites give profits in 24 hours, in just once, and some websites give profits 200 business days, and some websites give profits 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, or 6 months. Every website has own terms and conditions, but you must see that website, time limit, and profit procedures. Any website give you profit must be give you profit annual 20% or more. Now Before investing, checking website procedures. If you select any website for investment or any online exchanges, how to check that website is good, how to verify that website. On to Alexa, 20 above 20,000 ranks, samrush.com, traffic search, web tool and IP location, domain age. These four websites to check the website is legal or not legal. What's the rank of the website? To do this, see how to do this.